So I just want to explain on this graph, handmade graph, how the prices are affected on a new model. Let's say you got this model, new sealed in a box, not a specific this one, but here is just a sample. Here is how the prices are affected on eBay. And so let me show you real quick. So at the beginning, the store number 1 does have this new model, any new model, for $10 right here, store number 1. In our case here in the US, it's Walmart. Now the store number 2 has the same model for $15 right there. Now here is when this thing is getting worse. When these are new models, they just came out of the store, and then on eBay, the eBay seller number 1 find out that he has some new model. He put the price for $20 because I've been there and I have seen the same pattern. Now the eBay seller number 2 does have the same model for $30. eBay seller number 3 does have the same model for $40. So why is this kind of behavior on the prices? So here's the thing, when people get excited to get the new model, they want to put their hands on their new model and make a video, or just for having fun, just to get it. So to feel, they be the first persons to get the models, and from there, that's the reason why eBay sellers take advantage of the common consumer. Why? Because they don't have the time to go to the store number 1, in our case is Walmart, or store number 2 to find that model. So the first thing they do is go to eBay or Amazon. Now here's the other problem. YouTuber number 1 makes a video and talk about the good things and blah blah blah, and YouTuber number 2 makes another video. It's not a perfect graph, and here's what happened. The price is getting higher. Why? Because YouTuber number 1 talk about this model, and the followers or subscribers, they want to have the same model as the YouTuber, so they don't care what price they're paying. Here 50 to 55. So these prices are increased on eBay, and that's because YouTuber 1 and YouTuber number 2, they talk about this model when it's brand new. I'm talking about brand new sealed in box models, any model. Now here is another thing. While these prices increase, store number 2 over the months, let's say over 5 months or 4 months, 4 to 5 months, they already sold out most of the Merc. So this new model, the store lowers the price at $7.88. Well, this is what happens on my local Walmart store over 4 to 5 months. Now here is another problem. Once they do not have a lot in stock, there is a reseller on Walmart that he chooses to put, because there are no more available items, he chooses to put the model for $150 or $200, even sometimes $250, $250. That's right. And it's only because the local store, the first store, does not have it in stock. That's right. So this other reseller, he sells on Walmart. There are 3 or 4 resellers that they have a store, online store on Walmart, and so they take advantage of people. Go to the Walmart store and see for yourself. I'm not lying. Now here's the thing. Over the months, let's say over the year, YouTuber number 1 and YouTuber number 2 start talking about hard to find. Let me see if I can do that. Or they talk, okay, it's a rare item. Or they talk about factory error. Or they talk about, let's say they say something, I don't understand why, but this is really true. Something else. So here's what happened. YouTuber number 1 talks about this because it's no longer in stores, and the prices increases on eBay and $180. Now here is the other YouTuber number 2 or number 3. He talk about this model that is no longer available and says, oh, this is a different model, you can no longer find it. And so what happened is the prices increase on either eBay or at the local store or Amazon. I've been there. I know how the prices manage. I know how the prices, these factors play a role on the higher prices. And I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. This is what happened. So the problem is there is no in stock. And from there, eBay sellers 1, 2, 3, they found out that YouTuber 1 and 2 talk about rare factory error or hard to find models. So they take advantage, these eBay sellers take advantage of the consumer, normal people. So they increase the price at $180, $200. Now I'm talking about just any model. Let's say this model, or let's say Winged Thomas. I remember when I was selling on eBay, a lot of people asked me on eBay, hey, will you send me this lot and I want to buy Winged Thomas? And I used to tell them, I don't like to take advantage of you. Why don't you go to your local store and you can buy it? I mean, it's for $10. But at the time when these customers asked me, the prices of this Winged Thomas was between $40 to $60. I'm not lying. I saw those prices, but I thought it was ridiculous. So the problem here is, I understand the viewers just do it for the YouTubers just do these videos for the views. So it's okay, because it's I'm not trying to blame the YouTubers, but there are several factors that affect the price of a new model over the months. So let's say after 8 months, the prices will be between 180 to 200 after 8 months. And this is what happens here in the US when eBay sellers take advantage of the consumers, and YouTubers make the problem worse. Because I know these eBay sellers are watching whatever YouTubers say. And don't take me wrong, please. It is the reality. Well, I hope you find this really interesting.